Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and I'm going to show you the way I would engrave on a rolling pin. This is a miniature rolling pin for a customer that wanted 9 of them, and a couple of neat things, and I've done videos on how to do this before, but we're going to put it into a cradle that I've made, and if you're not a woodworker, you could get a friend of yours to, all you have to do is cut 2 boards at an angle and glue them, and this will hold anything that's cylindrical. I mean, from a 1-inch dowel to a 4-inch, mug or something, if you're not going to use your rotary device. So I put that in the laser, and it's one thing you want to make sure is that when you put these on, that they're square with your edge, so when it butts up in the laser, this is square. I centered the laser daughter point in the center between the 2 deals, and then I ran a vector line, and it's out of focus, so it's really thick, but that's my 5.5 inches for my rolling pin to set in, and it's in the center, so you can't really mess up. Then all you have to do is put your rolling pin in the center, refocus on the height of your rolling pin, and this one really doesn't, the letters aren't that wide, so you don't have to worry about the focus, so just dead on focus will work. Sometimes when you're going further down, you could kind of like, and I've done a video on that, kind of like focus midpoint, where you got an average. And then what's so neat about this, I drew the rolling pin is 5.5 inches long. I don't want my picture anymore. I just did that for the customer, so I'm going to delete that picture. That name is in the center because I hit P and put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and then you would just run this job center. Then what's so nice about this, just take your name and put it on another side so you won't make sure you run it again, and just grab the next name and hit P and run that job. I mean, you can't really get any simpler than that. Now, I've done a video before, but I thought I'd go ahead and add this in, for some people that maybe have just started watching my channel or haven't watched that video. This rolling pin is 5.5 inches, but the camera I take it with it makes it a really big file. So just take a good clear shot, take your crop tool and kind of get on that edge. And really, we're more concerned about the length, and that's pretty good. And then double click and it'll crop it. Now, I was clicked on the picture, so it did not take away anything else but what I wanted it to take away. Now, make sure this is locked and make the length 5.5 inches. So now your rolling pin is the actual size of your rolling pin. And the crop tool makes it so much easier. So let's hit P on the keyboard, P on the keyboard. We'll put it to the back of the page. And there's a picture that you can send the customer. It makes life so much easier when you do something like that. And then make you a little jig to hold stuff. You almost can't go wrong. And then, the next time I do this, I'll maybe make a thinner line if it's a longer something. But really, all you really care about is these two marks on each side, so you can place that rolling pin right in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.